What does a girl have that the boy can see but cannot touch? Shadow of the girl. Something living creature in the world that keeps on burning but still does not die. A firefly. Which is the item that always has 3 in men and 5 in women all over the world? Letters. What is something that every individual has but no one likes it? Anger. What is the kind of a thing that grabs a man's throat yet he likes it so much? A toy. Words come after E in the English language. In English, N is followed by E, which is the bag in the world that no one uses for keeping things. A tea bag. What is the thing that makes traveling thousands of miles without leaving its place? The road. What is a food item that does not change its taste even after thousands of years ago? Honey. What are the 2 things that every boy and girl are hanging out with? Arm. Name something that lives on one leg all its life. Name an item that when it comes to death would vanishes. A cat. Name the bird who is given a fruit. Fruit name kiwi. Which is part of the human body that men have, women do not? Beard and the mustaches. Name the beast who swallows all the money yet people do not fear it. Purse. Name something that people are happy to break. A record. Name the item that neither eats nor drinks yet keeps moving. Shadow. Name the things that move all around yet stay in place. Our eyesight. Name something that will bite your throat when you hug it, yet people like it so much. Die. Which animal digests even iron? Crocodile.